In his first public appearance since filing for bankruptcy, Rudy Giuliani slammed the biased judge who ordered he expedite the $148 million payout to 2 Georgia election volunteers he defamed, RadarOnline.com has learned. Less than a week after a Washington, D.C. jury found Giuliani liable for defaming Shaye Moss and Ruby Freeman in the 2020 presidential election, the former Trump lawyer filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protections in New York. Giuliani's bankruptcy filing revealed the former NYC mayor owed a staggering $100 to $500 million in liabilities and possessed $1 to $10 million in assets. While there is typically a 30-day waiting period, Judge Beryl Howell declared Moss and Freeman's attorneys could attempt to collect payment from Giuliani's assets immediately. While speaking to the press outside of his office, Giuliani claimed Judge Howell instructing the defamation victims on how to collect was unethical and showcased the biased ruling in the defamation trial. "It proves what I've been saying, that the judge is entirely biased on one side of the case," Giuliani said on Thursday. "The worst part of it is, this case from the very beginning, was handled by a judge who despises Donald Trump and will cut corners and change the law to come up with results that are absurd." Giuliani's bankruptcy attorneys, Heath Berger and Gary Fishoff, released a statement on his filing. "The filing should be a surprise to no one. No person could have reasonably believed that Mayor Giuliani would be able to pay such a high punitive amount," the statement read. The attorneys noted the Chapter 11 filing would afford Mayor Giuliani the opportunity and time to pursue an appeal, while providing transparency for his finances and ensure all creditors are treated equally and fairly throughout the process. Meanwhile, Judge Howell said Moss and Freeman had good cause to worry their settlements would not be paid out, thus expediting the collection process. Giuliani's persistent refusal to respond to plaintiffs' discovery requests precluded plaintiffs from testing the veracity of Giuliani's claimed financial difficulties, Howell wrote in Wednesday's order. "Such claims of Giuliani's financial difficulties, no matter how many times repeated or publicly disseminated and duly reported in the media, are difficult to square with the fact that Giuliani affords a spokesperson, who accompanied him daily to trial," he added.